Before this video, I made few videos on positivity, motivation, friendship. But sometimes we need to know about people who are pretentious, deceitful, greedy, corrupt. If you are surrounded by negative energy, please try to come out of it. Because of such people, you have physical and mental suffering. You found yourself in miserable state. Other misfortunes also befell you. You might lose your zest for life. You are feeling disillusioned. Sometimes we are in need of our best friends, our well-wishers, and they are not available. At a point in your life when you are not sure what you are going to do. If someone likes your work and wants to see you working, that means positive energy is traveling towards you. There are two kinds of people. One who is your well-wishers who understand reality. They show you mirror who you are and what you can achieve in your future. Will also tell you your good qualities. They will also tell you where you need to improve. Criticism is must. Criticism is very important. Otherwise, how will you know where to improve? Your well-wishers always give you good advice. The second type of people are cunning, evil-minded people. They can give you wrong suggestions. They might tell you just opposite of what suits you, what suits your personality. So now you have to decide whom you should listen to. Sometimes such people compare you with great doctors and engineers, and telling you that look at them where they are standing and look at you where you are. You are nowhere as compared to them. You are nothing. And they always point finger at you like don't do this, don't do that, don't go there. No, never, nothing. So that negative energy will overpower you. Such people only find out your flaws. To some extent, it is okay if you get to know your flaws, then you can correct it, isn't it? But it is very important to think that why do some people only see flaws? Why don't they see goodness in you? कभी उनको आप में अच्छाई भी दिख जाए? Actually, the thing is that goodness, they don't want to show. They hide your goodness, your good qualities. They will never let you feel that what are the qualities in you. Some people are so crooked. You should avoid such kind of people. You should keep safe distance from them. Dear women, आप अपने पापा की परी हो और आप हवा में ऊंची उड़ान लगाना चाहती हो, मगर कुछ लोग क्या करेंगे? They will cut your wings और वो उसको लॉक करके रखेंगे और आपको एक टोकरी में बंद करके रखेंगे. So now you have to decide whether to enslave, to lose your freedom, or to get back your wings and fly again in the sky. You can fly high in the sky like never before. What do you do if there is injustice happen to you? Do you tolerate it? Do you suppress it? Or neither tell it anything to anyone, nor try to solve it yourself? The person is taking advantage of you और आप इसको सहन ही करते जा रहे हो. Injustice happened and you tolerate it. What would happen with this? Whatever grief, whatever pain is hidden inside you, one day it will kill you. That's why share your sorrows, find solution. Fight against it. If you are a simple person but not strong, they won't leave you anymore. You have to be strong. That bad vibes dominating you, making you emotionally weak. Listen, emotionally weak means everything is over, everything is finished. How? Let me give you one more example. Suppose you went to the forest and there you confronted a wild animal. So, what will you do? Will you cry or will you try to defend yourself? Tell me, what will you do? Will you cry or defend yourself? If you do nothing and keep on crying, that wild animal might harm you. It might kill you and eat you. Just imagine what could be the second part. Now you have found a huge wooden stick, you picked it up and started hitting that wild animal. In such a way, you saved your life. I don't want to give you the message that you should beat your enemies with stick. My question is that how do you defend yourself in real life? You have a choice. Take an advice of trustworthy people. If 10 people are giving you the same advice, is this the correct advice? What is the voice of your conscience? You have to listen to it. If you feel like this is the right thing for you, so do it. Listen, nothing is bad that don't hurt anyone. Try to understand do's and don'ts in your life. You have to identify between good and bad things. If you want to grow in your life, you should stay a little bit away from such people because they dominate you in such a manner that your body and mind become under their control. And once it dominates your mind, it would be very difficult for you to come out of it. It will be very difficult for you that you feel like, you feel like climbing Mount Everest. Sometimes something bad happened to us not naturally, but some people try to do it intentionally. They try to do it forcefully. Sometimes you do such good works that uplift your personality and you get back a lot of love from people because you deserve it. You deserve to get it. But some people will not like that. When you laugh out loudly, laughter on your face will make them uncomfortable. It hurts them a lot. It is very painful for them to see you cheerful and joyful. Although your experiences were not joyful and life has subsequently been overshadowed by sorrows, listen, one day you will get blessed with all kinds of delight and joys. All I want to say that don't wait for someone too long. Come and solve your problem. Always be happy, grow and let others grow. If you like my video, then share it with your friends. Do not forget subscribe and comment below. Bye.